Today is day one of the Yonkers Studio move-in day. These are the first items I'll be bringing in. You know, the essentials. And this is it. Literally just picked up the key and I'm trying it out for the first time. I hope it works. Let's see what happens. This is it. This is the studio, the Yonkers Studio. Nice, bare, and empty. Let me give you guys a full tour. Let me turn all the lights on. Wow, I feel like the heat is on. The heat is on, like it's cold outside. Definitely gotta turn this down now. It's at 80. What is this? How did we change the bottom one? I think that's too hot. I don't know. But here it is. There's the entrance. Nice wooden floors, base heaters. All just a blank canvas. And then this is where you walk into the studio. It's like a circle room kind of. And then here we have a storage closet, decently sized, decent size, and the bathroom. Very nice floors on the bathroom. Nice, small, straight to the point bathroom. Day one, the Yonkers Studio. The other half of Yonkers Studio. What up, man? What are we doing here
oh,
today?
Man, we over here cleaning up, you know, making it into a home. You know what I'm saying? Where we could create magic. The Yonkers Studio, talk about it with Franjez, Coalition Entertainment. We all coming together and making magic, baby.
100%.
Bringing love and music to the world.
It's happening. It's coming. It's coming together.